You're going to learn how to change background colors in Softr, so you can take full control of your application's visual style and make it truly your own. If you've spent any time building with Softr, you know that the default themes look clean, but they don't always match your brand or the specific mood you want to create. Customizing background colors is one of the most impactful changes you can make because it sets the tone for everything else on the page. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, log into your Softr account. This is straightforward, but make sure you're using the same account where your application is built, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see a left sidebar with several menu items. Click on Applications from that sidebar. This takes you to a list of all the apps you've created or that you have access to. If you have a lot of applications, you can use the search bar at the top to find the one you want to edit quickly. Open the application you want to work on by clicking its name or the edit button next to it. This will load the app builder interface, which is where you'll do all your customization. Now, in the left sidebar of the app builder, click on Theme. This is your central hub for everything related to the look and feel of your application. Think of it as your style dashboard. Inside the theme settings, you'll see a few tabs or sections. Look for the one that says Colors and click on it. This opens up a palette of all the color categories Softr uses to style your app. Scroll down or look through these options until you find the section labeled Background. This is where the magic happens. It's important to note that Softr separates background settings into different parts of your app. You might see options for the overall page background, the navigation bar, the footer, cards, modals, or specific sections like headers. Each one can be customized independently. Take a moment to review the available background color options. You'll see a small color swatch next to each setting, which shows you the current color being used. Some might be white, some light gray, or whatever the default theme set. Click on the background color you want to change. This opens up a color picker interface. The color picker is your visual tool for selecting a color. You can click anywhere on the gradient or the spectrum to choose a color, or you can drag the sliders to fine-tune the hue, saturation, and brightness. If you already know the exact color you want, you can enter a hex color code directly into the input field. A hex code is a 6-character string starting with a hash symbol, like #1A73E8, which is a common blue. This is the most precise way to match your brand colors exactly. If you don't have a hex code, you can use the eyedropper tool, if available, to pick a color from any element on your screen, or simply experiment with the picker until you find something you like. One common pitfall here is choosing a background color that clashes with your text or other elements. Remember that background colors affect readability. If you choose a dark background, your text should be light, and vice versa. Softr usually handles text contrast automatically with its theme, but always double check. After you've selected your new color, you'll see the change applied immediately in the preview area. Don't rush this step. Look at how the color interacts with the other design elements on the page. You might need to adjust the brightness or saturation to get it just right. Repeat the process for other background settings if needed. For example, you might want your main page background to be a soft off-white, but your navigation bar to be your brand's primary color. You can go back to the background section and click on each setting one by one, applying your chosen colors. This is where the real customization happens, and it's what gives your application a polished professional feel. Once you've made your changes, take a moment to review the updated appearance of your application. Look at different pages if your app has multiple sections. Color changes can sometimes look different on a page with a lot of content versus a page that's sparse. Scroll through, check your headers, your buttons, and your text blocks. Everything should feel cohesive. When you're ready to see the changes in a more realistic view, click the preview button. This opens your app in a new tab or an overlay, showing you exactly what visitors will see. This is your chance to check for any issues you might have missed. Click around, navigate between pages, and make sure the background colors are applied consistently everywhere you expected them to be. Sometimes a particular component has its own background setting that you might have overlooked, so the preview is essential for catching those gaps. If everything looks good, you have two options. You can save your application as a draft, which preserves your changes without affecting the live version. This is useful if you want to keep working on other parts of the app before publishing. Or, if you're satisfied with the changes and you want your audience to see the new design, click Publish. Publishing makes the updates live immediately. Always double check the live version after publishing, just to be safe. Sometimes caching or browser issues can cause a slight delay in showing the correct colors. You've now successfully changed the background colors in your Softr application. This small tweak can dramatically improve the overall look and feel of your app, making it more inviting and aligned with your brand. As a next step, consider exploring the other color settings in the theme menu, like primary and secondary colors, to create a fully coordinated design. And if you ever need to revisit these steps, just save this video or bookmark it. Thanks for following along.